Perfectly fine, right, Keegan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning. Sunday morning.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a durability test. So today I'm durability testing my MTD lawn tractor. It's a Task Force. It's a piece of crap. Everything about it's crap, and don't buy one of these because like you can't even work on them and stuff. So today I'm gonna be destroying it, putting it to the test. But I'm gonna try making it like space out the video, like really milk the content.
You serious?
So this is actually my good reliable tractor, my childhood lawn tractor that's actually good, that's been going strong for 20 years. And the transmission on these are the only thing that's bad because you can't put oil in them, so I just swapped the transmission. And it's like the only issue it's ever had besides the steering. But yeah, these things are built really well. This is before MTD took over. That tractor is made by, that's 30 years old. But that's what every MTD almost makes all your tractors now. So like Cub Cadets, Troy-Bilts, John Deere's now are all built by that manufacturer. So this is actually like one of the last good tractors they ever built. Solenoid doesn't even work, so I have to use jumper cables. Very safe. Like you don't. So before I hook this up, well actually I did hook it up, whatever. So this tractor is actually squatted truck owners tractor. Like if you go to one of their houses, I guarantee this is what they drive. Yeah, let's pull with it, and if it goes far, So now we're gonna do the actual body durability test. So we're gonna see how it withstands a hammer and what would you call this? A pickaxe, something.
Yeah.
Okay, so I bought this tractor initially because I wanted a racing tractor because my neighbor has a couple. One that goes like 30 miles an hour, and then I found out these can't do it because their pulleys are like different than like an older one. What a hammer does do it, so I'm gonna do it. This tractor means a lot to me. This is how I get around. Like, I take care of my stuff. Like, look over there how everything's taken care of. Like, my stuff is... Yeah. Here we go. Ugly. Let's see the plastic part. Okay, that's pretty lame. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, this looks like a cat-eye Duramax. It looks like a Chevy crap Duramax. It looks like a cat-eye Duramax to me. Okay. This is fun. And like, where should I hit it?
Hit on the side.
Bro, that's like nothing. Like this is built so bad. Task Force. Now what's gonna be? They're copying off of Space Force. Space Force, Elon Musk.
I don't think so. I think that's the government.
Let's pretend that T's not there. Now it's Ask Force. What's that two? What? There's a first one. There's a first one or something.
I guess so.
Why is it like Roman numeral? Ew, it's so ugly. Okay. My ears. Okay, so interior, what would you rate it out of 10?
Rate it probably about a solid 2.
Now, what have the panel in here where the shifter is? Well, it's such a piece of crap that it wouldn't really go on. Now we're gonna go do some burnouts with it. actually like it does nothing to this, even though that's plastic, which I do not like.
Yeah, it does.
All right, so let's just see the burnout mark. There's this little like mouse turn. It's like, look at the marks we left though. They're still hilarious. Look at all of them. It's like just little skid marks. Yeah. This is an actually good tractor. So, bad news. The belt came off, like, because it always comes off. And, I don't know if I'm going to be able... Like, this thing is such a piece of crap. Right now, Keegan is, driving and we're going to get tools. We're going to get tools to fix the tractor because it's a piece of junk. Okay, so what are we doing right now? Getting tools?
We're getting tools so we can go fix the tractor that's on the side of the road.
Hey! One of those good mechanics, but I make more than a doctor, like 3 times. Came off again. So it broke down again. This is somewhat. Wait, this is cheap. I think I solved it. That sounds crazy. We want to go get a new belt. Okay, so it's been 2 days later because the belt slipped off again, and it kept just slipping off and slipping off. So I just put a new belt on. I'm gonna do a second test at the hammer because I don't think the first time I really got it. I'm just gonna hit it here. It's not very durable. It's really not. Yeah, it's like pretty bad. woods now.
They're in the woods.
Okay, so we're up here on top of this mountain. Show the view. Alright, so we're on top of this hill. And we're by the woods and we're gonna see how much rugged off-roading it can do. It's like, we're gonna see how much extreme off-roading will do to this thing. We're gonna crash it into some trees. And then hopefully by that time, this thing isn't much more. Gosh. Hey, show in front. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I lost my muffler there. Ouch. That was on there. I'm trying to find, I found the pin, that pin came off. We're gonna see if it starts back up. So, this is the damage I've done. It's like still pretty mint. It's exhaust right there. It's a bit louder than usual. I still had plans with it. I'd like surround it. This is took some hits, but I'm gonna do some more stuff with it. haters. That's what the haters' moms look like. Thank you guys for watching. Don't buy an MTD tractor because they're pieces of crap. Please comment. If you can't comment in this video, please comment in a different video what I should do next. It's actually junk because I'm not. Show my dad tractor. I'm not gonna break something like this. This is actually nice, and it goes. If it can go 20 years without breaking, then it should last. Like I should keep it. That thing. This thing's probably been rebuilt 20 times in its life. This thing might be worth more around the junkyard. I haven't one tractor in my life. They're all in the junkyard. I don't think you'll ever be seeing this tractor again. So, thank you for watching.